For some reason, a lot of people are looking for a solution to add icons, not emojis, to their text blocks in Notion. And for some other reason, there's dozens of videos out there that claim to show you how to do that, but actually just show you how to add emojis. Today, we're fixing that. Alright, welcome to my Notion workspace. To add an icon to either a heading or a text block in your Notion page, you can easily use the custom emoji function, which Notion has published earlier this year. And for this, we just go into a text block. I'm just going to write some sample text. And maybe you know this already, but to easily add an emoji, you can just type a colon followed by, for example, a description. In this case, it might say fire. Then you see all the fire-related emojis, but you can also just type something and then you will see the add emoji function. But let's go back. What happens when I type fire? You will also have a plus symbol here. When you click this button, it will open up a small pop-up menu that allows you to upload an image to use as a custom emoji. And for this, we can use images of the Notion icons that we want to add. Now, unfortunately, Notion doesn't have a native feature that allows you to easily download the icons. But I created a simple tool for that, which I'm going to show you now. This is the Notion Icons Gallery tool on my website, which allows you to browse the entire library of Notion icons in one page. You can also use the search bar to find a specific one, and it allows you to also define custom colors. Here you have the Notion native colors in light mode and in dark mode versions, and you can also specify a completely custom color. But let's say I want to stick with the Notion native red, then I'm just going to click here. And now you want to download the icon in a suitable file format for the custom emoji feature. And here we can use the very size efficient and scalable SVG format. So we're just going to leave it here. And all you have to do then is make a right click on whatever icon you're looking for. So let's say I want to use the apple. I'm just going to make a right click here. This is going to download the file to my computer, as you can see here. And now I'm going to jump back into Notion. And in Notion, I can just choose and upload the image that I've just downloaded, the SVG file. You can now see that the icon has been uploaded as a custom emoji. You can see a preview for light and dark mode, which will not automatically adjust as it does for the native built-in icons. That's one thing to remember. You can define an emoji name. I'm just going to call it Apple Icon. And then I'm going to press save. And you will see the icon will now appear in your text, just like an emoji. You can also type any text that you want. And if you want to add it again, you can now just put the colon and then type right away Apple, because we have specified this in the name. And now can easily add this again and again. You can also copy and paste it however you want. And the same works also in our headings, where I can do the exact same. I just type in Apple, and then we have our custom icon that just works like an emoji in the Notion page title, which you can even see here in the page title in the sidebar. So this is a handy way to add icons, which otherwise are not able to be used within text. Of course, you have to do it for each icon individually, but if you really want to use these icons just like emojis, you can do so using this way. And I really hope this solves the situation for now, or until Notion comes up with an even easier way. You can find the Notion Icons Gallery tool on my website via the link in the description below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Notion related content. And feel free to sign up to my newsletter to get access to exclusive launch discounts for my upcoming templates.